Did you know that your penis trains every single night, even when you're asleep? Not once, but 3 to 5 times per night. Even if you never wake up, your body is still performing a full vascular stress test. And at the same time, your body produces a biological army, up to 300 million sperm cells per day. That's not exaggeration, that's anatomy. But here's the real question: how does this system actually work, and what happens when it doesn't? Before we understand dysfunction, we have to understand design. Today we go inside the body, into the blood vessels, into the nerves, into the testicles. This is your body's army. An erection is not just arousal, it is a precisely coordinated neurovascular event. It can begin in the brain or from direct physical touch. The glans penis is one of the most sensitive regions of the body. Signals travel through nerves to the lower spinal cord. In medicine, there's a simple mnemonic: S2, S3, S4. They keep the penis off the floor. When the signal arrives, nitric oxide is released. This tiny molecule changes everything. It relaxes smooth muscle and blood vessels. Arteries dilate. Blood flow increases dramatically. Inside the penis are 3 cylindrical structures, 2 corpora cavernosa and 1 corpus spongiosum. When blood fills the sponge-like chambers of the corpora cavernosa, the veins are compressed, blood gets trapped inside, and within seconds, one of the fastest regulated vascular changes in the body occurs. Soft tissue becomes firm. This isn't magic, it's hydraulics. Now here's something even more interesting. What happens when you're not thinking about sex and not even dreaming about it? During sleep, a process called Nocturnal Penile Tumescence occurs, or simply NPT. It happens during REM sleep, when the brain is highly active and the parasympathetic nervous system dominates. It can occur 3 to 5 times per night. Why? Because the body is running a systems check. These erections help maintain tissue elasticity and healthy blood supply. And since testosterone levels are highest in the early morning, morning erections are often the strongest. Here's another fascinating fact. Women experience a similar phenomenon. It's called nocturnal clitoral tumescence. Clitoral erectile tissue also fills with blood during sleep. The body maintains itself automatically. But now comes the uncomfortable question. And when this system fails, it's often the first warning sign of cardiovascular disease. Erectile dysfunction is not only about performance. It can reflect problems in blood vessels, nerve signaling, or hormonal balance. Because the penile arteries are smaller than coronary arteries, they can show vascular problems years before the heart does. The body whispers before it screams. But let's return to the army. Where are those 300 million cells made? Inside the testicles. And this is where the numbers become staggering. Each testicle contains hundreds to over 800 seminiferous tubules. If you could stretch all of them out end to end, they would form a microscopic production network longer than a football field. Within their walls, spermatogenesis takes place. A stem cell divides, differentiates, and transforms into a sperm cell. The development of a single sperm cell takes about 65 to 75 days, more than 2 months, but production never stops. The testes can produce up to 300 million sperm cells per day. That's roughly 12 million per hour, over 200,000 per minute, thousands per second. Right now, while you're watching this, thousands are being created. After production, they move into the epididymis. If uncoiled, this single tightly folded tube would measure about 5 to 6 meters long. Here, sperm cells spend up to 2 weeks maturing. They gain motility. They refine their structure. They learn to swim. From start to finish, the entire process takes over 80 days. And when the moment comes, during ejaculation, typically 2 to 5 milliliters of fluid are released. That fluid may contain hundreds of millions of sperm cells. This is biological strategy. Quantity increases probability because the target is only one egg cell, and statistically, one of those cells once won that race, and the result is you. Your body is not random. It is constantly active, even while you sleep. Nerves, hormones, blood vessels, cell production, a precisely regulated biological system. If you enjoyed this deep dive into your body's army, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which organ system we should explore next. See you in the next one.